Hello and welcome to my very first video here on Snow Queen's Tech, and today I have a very exciting unboxing for you all. This is the very first time you'll see this. As you can see, the Soundcore Select Pro. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please leave your comments below because I'm always looking for inspiration as to what to review next. So let's get into what we've got here. As I said, it is the Soundcore Select Pro by Anker. So here we go, if you look at the box. It's pretty much the motion boom with lights. So a lot prettier. Really nice packaging as always with Soundcore. And let's open it up. You can see here, it's just the standard blue. And as I open it up, you get your books. Here, your standard Soundcore. How did we do? How did we sound? And you got your USB-C cable to USB-A. If you look over there, as standard with most Soundcore speakers now. Right. So let's see. We've got our usual egg box packaging, just to keep it safe while it's in transit. Right, let's get it out. And let's take a look. Today I'm just going to be doing a very quick unboxing with you all. I will be testing this further as time goes on. As you can see, it looks pretty similar, pretty much like the motion boom. As you can see here. But let's pop it on and hope that we get lights. Look how pretty that is. Look. Right, it's waiting for me to pair, so I'm just going to pair this up with my iPad and see how we get on. So it should be easy to pair as per usual. There we go. Right, so that is now paired. This particular one, you can go on the app and change all the light settings. You can change, of course, your custom equalizer as well. I'm going to keep this on the standard Soundcore equalizer for the moment, just to give it a test. But look at those lights. Again, you've got your passive radiators on either side, just the same as the motion boom for those of you who are familiar with that one. And there you got your standard buttons over there. You got your bass boost there, your Bluetooth there, volume up and down, on, off, and of course, light feature, on, off. Right, so I'm just going to look at this through. Oh, and it's paired already. Let me show you what it looks like on the iPad. There is what it looks like on the iPad. That's gone through the Soundcore app, so we can change everything on there. And you can change your lights. You can change it to camping trip, evening breeze, midnight groove, I think this looks really, really pretty. I mean, it's just an upgrade really to the motion boom, but really nice. Again, not too heavy. I will weigh it and I will do a further video and comparison video for you so you can really hear how it sounds, how it compares to other more familiar speakers to you in the same sort of price range. But yeah, that's really, really nice. So let's go ahead and play some royalty-free music. I'm just going to find that on YouTube. Here we go. Please note this is not via binaural microphones, but I will be getting one soon. So right up to 100. Oh, okay. Of course, that was with the bass boost on. So let's put that off, see how it sounds.
Wait, you want some more? Oh, okay.
Premiumbeat.com.
Right, and there was your sound sample, just to see how that sounds. That's really nice and loud. Of course, I prefer it personally with the bass feature on, whilst it sounds a bit thin, but overall really nice sounding speaker, and I really love the pretty lights. Another winner from Anker Soundcore. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. All my reviews are completely impartial, but this is really nice. This particular unit, I have got another one. I did get them imported from Amazon.com, so they've come from America. I will put in the description the retail prices at the moment. This hasn't been released on Amazon.co.uk yet, but I will keep you updated as to when that is and the current retail prices if you're looking to buy one. Just to give you a sound comparison, or a size comparison rather, there is the Motion Plus there, so you can see the size in comparison to that. So this is exactly the same size as your Motion Boom, but again, with these pretty lights. I love these lights. And here is your Motion Plus. Right, that's all for me for now, but if you could please like, subscribe, and leave a comment for me. Thanks very much. Bye for now.